Hello everyone, I am Shinde Mohini Kisan, Assistant Professor, Department of Horticulture, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirezgaon. Today I am going to explain production technology of important cut flowers, Gerbera. Botanical name of Gerbera, Gerbera jamesoni, family Asteraceae, origin South Africa, America and Asia. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 50. Gerbera is also called as Arberton daisy, Transvaal daisy, Barbertons made life high. It is the common name of Gerbera. First one Arberton daisy, second Transvaal daisy, third Barbertons made life high. Then importance of a Gerbera. It is grown as a garden plant for beautification or on flower beds, border and rock garden. The Gerbera are planted for a beautification of surrounding or beautification of a garden or on flower beds, making of borders and rock gardens. Second importance, flower arrangement can be made in a vase. Third, use in flower bouquet is common. The flowers of Gerbera are used for preparation of a bouquet. Flower fetch price rupees 40 to 50 per 10 spike during New Year season, festival, Christmas and marriage season also. The flowers of Gerbera are also used for a New Year season, festivals, different festivals, Christmas, then marriage season. And the flowers of a Gerbera fetches price rupees 40 to 50 per 10 spike. That is the importance. It can be used for beautification of a garden, flower beds, border, rock garden, flower arrangement, making of a vase, use in flower bouquet and use in different festivals, Christmas, marriage season also. That is the importance. Then next about soil and climatic requirements. The soil requirement, soil should be well drained, rich, light, neutral or slightly alkaline soil is most suitable for a Gerbera production. For the Gerbera, soil should be well drained, rich, light, neutral or slightly alkaline. The growth of plant is adversely affected in ill-drained soil. pH ranges from 5.5 to 6.5. Moderate climate, day temperature 22 to 25 degrees Celsius and night temperature 12 to 15 degrees Celsius. Photo period 8 hours. Carbon dioxide level 700 ppm. It's about climatic requirement. Moderate climate is suitable for a Gerbera. Day temperature ranges 22 to 25 degree Celsius and night temperature 12 to 50 degree Celsius. Photoperiodic requirement means light requirement 8 hours and carbon dioxide level is 700 ppm under a protected cultivation. Controlled atmospheric conditions. About soil and climatic conditions. The next varieties. Varieties Umber, Winter Queen, Flamingo, Dusty, Salmarosa, Valentine. Red, Ruby Red, Sangria. Yellow color, Doni, Supernova, Mammoth, Thalassa. Rose, Rosaline, Salvador. Pink, Pink Elegance, Marmara, Ismara. Orange, Caria, Goliath, Marasol. Cream, Farida, Dalma. Snowflake, Winter Queen. Tamil Nadu Agriculture University varieties YCD1 and YCD2. That is the varieties of a Gerbera. Red color, yellow color, rose, pink, orange, cream. Tamil Nadu Agriculture University developed varieties is YCD1 and YCD2. It's about varieties of a Gerbera. The next propagation. Seed propagation, however, is not always satisfactory. It can be propagated by both, by seed, by clumps. But the seed propagation is not always satisfactory. With vegetative propagation division, this method involves in dividing large clumps into smaller units, cutting. The buds in the axil of the leaves are detached and roots in rooting medium. They are ready for transplanting in 2 or 3 months. Approximately 40 to 50 plants can be produced in 2 to 3 months from a single mother plant. It can be propagated by seed or by cutting, but the seed propagation is not always satisfactory, so we can propagate the Gerbera by cutting method, and the cuttings are ready for transplanting 2 to 3 months. 40 to 50 plants can be produced in 2 to 3 months single mother plant from a single mother plant. One single mother plant can be produced 40 to 50 plants. It's about propagation. Then bed preparation, planting and spacing. Soil mixture, FIM, sand and paddy husk, 2:1 as ratio, 30 centimeter height, 1 meter width and pad distance 30 to 45 centimeter. Firstly, bed preparation. At the time of bed preparation, application of FIM, sand and paddy husk in the ratio 2:1 and the bed size 30 centimeter height, 1 meter width and pad distance 30 to 45 centimeter. Then planting. Gerbera grows on raised beds 30 to 40 centimeter row distance and 30 centimeter plant distance. Gerbera are grows on a raised bed. So the row distance 30 to 40 centimeter and plant distance 30 centimeter. Spacing 40 into 30 centimeter or 30 into 30 centimeter. It's about bed preparation, planting and spacing. Then next, manures and fertilizers. 10 kg of FIM, 20 as 15 gram NPK per square meter at the time of planting. Planting time given the 20 as 15 gram NPK. 10 as 15 as 20 gram NPK square meter for 3 months at 1 month interval. Firstly, application of 10 kg of FIM. Then at the time of planting, 20 as 50 gram NPK. And then after 10 as 15 as 20 gram NPK, 3 months at 1 month interval. The next, irrigation. Drip irrigation is done once in a 2 to 3 days at 3.75 liter per drip per plant for 50 to 20 minutes. For the Gerbera, drip irrigation is used 2 to 3 days. Average water requirement is about 500 to 700 ml per day per plant. It's about manures and fertilizer requirement and irrigational requirement of a Gerbera. The next, harvesting and yield. Harvesting is done 3 months after planting. Crop can retain 3 to 4 years in protected condition. After planting, harvesting should be done 3 months. Harvested when outer 2 rows of disc floret perpendicular to stalk. Harvested the Gerbera flower when the outer 2 rows of a disc is perpendicular to the stalk. At that time, the harvesting of a Gerbera flower. Yield 200 to 250 flowers per square meter per year. Yield is 200 to 250 flowers per square per meter year. Then plant protection. Aphids, apply imidacloprid 17.8% SL and 1 milliliter per or dimethoate 30 EC at the rate 2 ml per. Pests includes aphids, whitefly, thrips, red spider mite and nematodes. Then diseases. First one, diseases, flower bud rot. Spray copper oxychloride at the rate 2 gram per liter. Then powdery mildew. Spray wettable sulfur at the rate 2 gram or azoxystrobin. The next, bushiness, an abnormal characterized by numerous leaves, short petioles and small lamina, which gives some cultivars of Gerbera a bushy appearance known as a bushiness. Bushy appearance to the plant is called as a bushiness. Nodes are not clearly distinct and no internal elongation is seen. The next one, fourth, stem break. It is a common post-harvest disease order in a cut Gerbera. Stem break is a post-harvest disorder commonly seen in a Gerbera. This is mainly caused by water imbalance. It could be ethylene controlled and associated with early senescence caused by water stress. The stem break is developed due to water stress. Fifth one, yellowing and purple margin. Nitrogen deficiency causes yellowing and early senescence of a leaves. Due to the nitrogen deficiency, yellowing of a leaves and senescence of a leaves means dropping of a leaves. Phosphorus deficiency causes pale yellow color with purple margin. Increase in level of nitrogen and phosphorus were found to be promote development of suckers and improve flowering in a Gerbera. That is the diseases of a Gerbera. Thank you.